Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: game updated, an Android avatar ready, and a save backup. Do this now. Once done, enable the developer console or install the mod loader required by the method because you will inject a custom shader. Make sure to spawn the Android and remove conflicting accessories. They can block shader layers. You'll use a single file swap and a preset value change. Proceed only after the backup is complete. This prevents irreversible skin or model corruption. Now, locate the shader or shadow texture inside the game's asset folder and load it into your mod tool. Replace the existing shadow PNG with the pink file, or edit the shader's HSL values to push hue toward magenta and raise saturation. This creates that distinctive pink glow. Set intensity between 0, 5 and 0, 7 so the shadow reads pink without washing the model. After editing, save changes and lock file permissions so the game doesn't auto-restore originals online. Finish by launching Sonic Speed Simulator 2025 and testing the Android under varied lighting. Move the character near direct light and in shadow to confirm the pink shadow persists. If you don't see pink, clear the shader cache and reapply the file swap. Sometimes the engine caches old textures. If the model deforms or the game crashes, immediately restore your backup. You can also consult the mod community for a patched shader or compatibility notes, which often solves engine-specific quirks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.